Many stylists reminisced. You can also do a snapshot and use the hashtag and post it on your social media accounts. May celebrate her.
Pwede ka mamahalin? Pwede mag-aaral na ano ko? Pwede ba yung ilang view?
Richer or in poorer, you will choose each other. Ika na, sabi ng then and then, hindi araw-araw masaya. Hindi araw-araw mahal niyo ang isa't isa. Pero sana, araw-araw, pipiliin niyong manatili sa tabi ng bawat isa. Hapon dyan. So starting today, write your own story, a beautiful story. Kaya hirap niyang suotin. Kaya manalo mo at kukuha ng ating garden. Susunod ay kakasalas next year. Walang Neil, malapakan pa natin si Neil. Thank you so much, sir, for joining. Thank you so much, sir, for joining. Thank you so much for joining. Best of luck, sir. You can go back now in your corresponding places. Ngayon naman po ay tatawagin natin ang magiging partner ni Neil. Okay, Neil, stand by po na Neil. Congratulations! Valerie Sevilla, Hannah Paredes, Nini Nacionales, Zarina Trujillo, Mats Migani Elmer, Migani Elmer. Okay, so five of you girls, Mr. Woman, Miss Valerie Sevilla, Hannah Paredes, Nini Nacionales, Zarina Trujillo, Migani Elmer. Okay, everyone, please come over. Okay, girls, let's do this. Para next year kayo na rin ang ikakasal. Malay po. So, we're going to play the carousel wheel. Okay, the bride will be in the center, and the girls will going to encircle the bride, holding a ribbon na parang carousel wheel. Okay, our official coordinator will assist us in doing this game. So, our bride, we're going to hold it up high. Nataas niya ang kanyang bouquet. In history, this is what we call bouquet throwing. Pero dahil 2024 na ngayon, iniba na natin yung laro. So, kung sino man ang magugupit na ribbon sa girls, okay, siya ang ating future bride. So, naka-blindfold si bride, right? So, we were going to wear blindfold. We'd like to request our girls, pwede po ba tayo mag-scatter? Parang scatter online tayo. Scatter po tayo. Yan, hindi ba dito po? Okay, scatter tayo parang alright? Extend more girls, extend. Yan. Yan.
bride, you will going to cut your desired ribbon. At kung sino man ang makakat dyan, good luck and congratulations! Kayo na ang susunod na bride next year. Let's play the carousel wheel game in 3, 2, 1, go! Turn around, girls! Okay, Miss Diana, napili ka na. Congratulations sa ating future. Alam talaga ng ating bride. Alam na kung sino.
Everything looks different.